There's something in your eyes.
Everybody, it is Maria Solis Belazaire, Girl Gallivant, and I'm just getting off the train here in Brooklyn, beautiful, beautiful Brooklyn, New York. And if you can see what's going on behind me, yeah, it is snowing pretty damn hard, but it is so beautiful. Look at all that snow. We are getting a couple inches now, and let's just hope it doesn't last too long because it's going to get pretty nasty out here.
And you will never have to wish again. I know that after tonight you don't have to talk about the stars, no, 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 no.